So I want to give you my first impressions on this Wild Badger Power 2-in-1 trimmer. And the reason this one says 2-in-1, there's actually other attachments that you can get to go for this, but this one comes with the string trimmer attachment and also with the brush cutter attachment. So it's a metal blade with sharp edges. And whenever you're using this, you want to make sure you're wearing your PPE, including eye protection and ear protection. This particular one comes with a 26cc 2-cycle engine. They also have one with a 52cc 2-cycle engine, so depending on how much power you have. So I have assembled this and cranked it, and I want to use it briefly on this video. But let me just tell you kind of overall thoughts on it. Assembly was not difficult. You just got to attach the string trimmer head, attach the plastic guard here, and because it's a multi-tool unit, then unscrew this handle, loosen up. It's got a button there that can be pressed in to swap out for another attachment, but that's how you have to put that on. Now, the handle is padded and cushioned, which I find to be a great feature. Sometimes I can't figure out if I or O, which one is on, which one is off, but this one, fortunately, you press it to O to shut it off, and it goes back to I when it's done, which is on, so that's nice. So we're gonna run off mixed fuel with 2-cycle engine oil plus gasoline. First use, I would say it has good power, definitely adequate power for most homeowners trimming around their yard. I've just tested out the string trimmer head on it. I haven't tried the brush cutter head. Depending obviously on how large a brush you're cutting, then the 52cc may be better if you're wanting to do a lot of brush cutting with it. But again, this setup, the 26cc one, I find it to be plenty adequate for just normal string trimming around the house. Now, I put it through a few tests when I was using it. I flipped it upside down because I like to edge with a string trimmer upside down. Performed great upside down. Again, the power is great. Impressed with how easy the line feeds from this bump head, which is great. This one weighs 12 pounds. You can find trimmers lighter than that. You can find trimmers heavier than that. So that's something to keep in mind when you're choosing a trimmer. Overall impression has been positive on my first use of this trimmer. Now, I can't speak for longevity because I just simply haven't owned it that long. And it does also come with a shoulder strap harness, which is going to make it easier if you're out there using this for a long time.